Hi everyone, welcome to entryleveljobs.ai, where we do the job hunting for you. We find you the tech positions that don't require years and years of experience. We connect you with the beginner-friendly roles to get your foot right in the door. First, we have an opportunity with Game Changer. Game Changer is a free mobile app designed for youth sports teams, offering live streaming, scorekeeping, and team management tools. It supports a variety of sports, including baseball, softball, basketball, football, soccer, and more. They are looking for an email marketing specialist, or in this case, we can also say that an email developer. This job is full-time, remote, and they are paying $100,000 to $120,000 a year. You'll build and launch responsive hand-coded HTML emails for Game Changer users and partner audiences. You'll work with product marketing, content, brand design, experiential activation teams, and business development to increase year-over-year performance of revenue attainment by email outreach efforts. You'll monitor email performance and report findings to team members. You'll plan and complete QA testing projects across campaigns. You'll design and run A/B testing projects. And you'll use audience segmentation and targeting to create diverse email programs throughout the customer lifestyle. They are looking for someone with 3 or more years of email marketing experience with an understanding of full lifecycle marketing, triggered messaging, and audience segmentation. You should have strong HTML, CSS experience building responsive emails, not just tweaking templates, but coding full campaigns from scratch. You'll have understanding of responsive email design, QA testing, and email best practices. You have hands-on experience building and sending campaigns in Braze and managing content or lists in HubSpot. You have a deep understanding of youth and team sports. You have a proven track record of managing high-volume, multi-step email campaigns with deadlines and cross-functional input. You have experience in startup to scale environments with the ability to adapt quickly, stay organized, and deliver in fast-changing conditions. And you have familiarity with Liquid for dynamic content, and personalization is a strong plus. And they give you a great list of the benefits that come with the position. You can work remotely, or you can work in their Manhattan office, unlimited vacation, paid volunteer opportunities. They give you a technology stipend, $4,000 every 2 years. A work from home stipend, $500, a learning stipend, also $500. They also offer a monthly physical, mental wellness and learning stipend, a monthly lifestyle stipend, full health benefits, retirement savings. They give you life insurance, disability leave, company paid parental leave, family building benefits, and also discounts at Dick's Sporting Goods and their family brands. Although they say they're hiring remote in the United States, they are not hiring in these states. So if you're interested in becoming an email developer with Game Changer, I would definitely apply for this position. And if you're looking to learn the skills that you need to become an email developer, front-end developer, or anything in web development, check out CodingPhase.com. At CodingPhase.com, they teach you the basic web development skills to land high-paying jobs, just like the 3 opportunities that we posted today. These are just a handful of students who landed jobs just like these with CodingPhase. Next, we have an opportunity to work for the company called Democracy International. They are a U.S.-based organization that works around the world to support democratic development, good governance, and peace building. The organization has worked in over 80 countries, helping to create more inclusive and responsive political systems through research, training, and technical assistance. They are seeking a junior developer for an anticipated 12-month UNDP-funded project in Libya. You'll support the technical team in the designing, developing, testing, and maintaining of web-based software systems. You'll support the technical team in the designing, developing, testing, and maintaining of web-based software solutions for HNEC's tabulation and mobile data collection systems leveraging these practices. You'll ensure that all proposed solutions adhere to the best practices in software security, code management, and open source development. You'll develop and maintain unit tests to ensure software reliability and quality. You'll assist in the implementation of listed enhancements to the Tally Center, data entry software, mobile data collection, and public-facing interfaces. You'll assist in debugging software issues and deploying fixes under guidance from senior team members. And you'll collaborate with senior developers to implement robust testing methodologies and continuous integration processes. You'll also have administrative tasks and these deliverables. They're looking for someone with a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, software engineering, or a closely related field. They're looking for someone with a minimum of 6 months experience developing web-based applications, specifically using Python, Django, or similar frameworks. They're also looking for someone with a minimum of 6 months experience in Python-based web applications. You should have strong communication skills with the ability to collaborate effectively in a bilingual Arabic-English environment. You should have a keen attention to detail and willingness to learn and adapt quickly in a fast-paced setting. You should have understanding of software security, best practices, and version control. Experience with front-end technologies. An experience with working or living in Libya is a plus. Proficiency in written and spoken English is essential. Proficiency in Arabic is preferred. So if you have these qualifications, I would definitely apply. Their deadline is May 23rd, 2025. Last, we have FSAstore.com. FSA Store is an online retailer that sells health and wellness products eligible for purchase with flexible spending accounts. They are looking for a front-end developer that will be responsible for developing and maintaining new features, functions utilizing Salesforce, as well as the data integration between their operational systems. The developer must have experience with Salesforce Commerce Cloud Platform, including SFRA. You'll primarily be responsible for producing quality, on-budget, and on-schedule solutions on products. You'll creatively solve complex problems. You'll lead the development on the FSCC platform. You'll create pixel-perfect representations across browser types of design files delivered in Sketch or Photoshop. You'll tackle front-end performance optimization. You'll contribute to internal initiatives such as improving their development processes. They are looking for someone with a minimum of 3 years hands-on experience using React, 1 year experience in FSCC, 4 years experience with front-end development, experience with jQuery, Vanilla.js and Node.js, an understanding for responsive designs, debugging and troubleshooting skills, software development experience with direct Salesforce Commerce Cloud experience, and e-commerce fees and integrations, excellent written and oral communication skills, understanding of grid principles, understanding of techniques and tools for Pixel Perfect, and MVVC, AMD, and common JS JavaScript patterns. They're paying $100,000 to $130,000 per year. You'll receive up to a 10% bonus. They have medical, dental, vision, and 401k. You'll have dependent care, FSA, HSA accounts. You'll get paid parental and bonding leave. You have flexible PTO and closed on all major holidays. You have monthly wellness and internet reimbursements. You'll have professional development, including certification support and leadership coaching. You'll have access to mental health resources. And again, this is 100% remote within the United States. So if you're interested in becoming a front-end developer with this company, I would go ahead and apply. And if you're looking for more job opportunities just like these, head over to entryleveljobs.ai, where you'll find hundreds of legit entry-level roles updated regularly. And don't forget to like this video and comment down below what kind of job positions you'd like to see next. See you on the next one.